Oh, I just want to do a quick video and show you the new Gemini resource toolkit within Google Classroom itself. So when you go onto the home screen of Google Classroom, on the left-hand side, you'll see there's a new button which says Gemini. If you click on that, it brings up Google AI tools for educators. I've currently got all highlighted, but it can help with planning, instruction material for learners, different types of assessments, how to support students, and administrative tasks. So as you can see, there's quite a few down here. So you could generate a quiz, which automatically puts it into a Google quiz for you. And all you have to do is give it a couple of prompts. Relevel, that would put some text, you can copy and paste some text into it and it will rewrite it for possibly a lower level reader. And there's plenty of others to have a look around. Now I'm going to show you how to create a jigsaw. So jigsaw activity, you get your group, you'll split them into smaller subgroups, and then you will label each one of those subgroups A, B, C, D, or whatever name you would like to give them. All the A's from each group would go off and research about a small subtopic, while group B would do the same but a different topic, and so on. They would come back to each other, and within the first group you set, they will peer-to-peer teach. And hopefully that would cover a lot more of the curriculum in a smaller amount of time. So when you click on that, it will open up the Gemini tab, which I have already pre-filled in, like a good old blue Peter. So it comes up. This bit is already this is the prompt for the jigsaw task. And as you read through, you can see that it says, it's highlighted in bold, tell me a little bit about your goal with the jigsaw. So what I've chosen is I've typed in new level 2 Sitting and Guilds Plumbing FE students. Class size 16 students. Subgroup size 4 per group. And then the topic, I put Unit 201 Health and Safety. And then the subtopics to cover within the exercise would be COSH, Health and Safety Science, Employer Duties and Reporting Hazards. So it goes through, it takes all the prompts in, and then it asks me, how much class time do you have for this activity? So what I've put is 60-minute lesson, learner peer-to-peer teach to follow the lesson. It says, do they have any knowledge gaps? And what I've put is, these learners are new students. This is the first topic that I am covering. It will ask you what resources the students have got. So I've put they might have health and safety in the workplace books, Chromebooks for research, and I've also asked it to provide vetted hyperlinks for the research. So it creates it for me. You've got your title for the activity, the timing, and then you've got learning objectives. So it actually gives you a learning objective for the lesson. And all of this is the lesson for you. It tells you how to run the lesson. So introduce it and do the groupings. Obviously, that's the action for it. And then we've got 20 minutes to do expert group research. Okay. After this first 20 minutes, you've got home group teaching. So that's where they come back together into the smaller groups and they teach one another. And then you can do a whole class debrief at the end. So the material and resources, this is where I would highlight expert group 1. I would copy and paste that and put that onto a Google Doc and share that with expert group 1. It gives them the hyperlinks for the Health and Safety Executive website, and they can use this to help with their research. There's nice guiding questions for what they need to cover. You've got group 2, which does the same. So you've got the guiding questions and the hyperlinks and so on. Now, I've tried this a couple of times already and it does really work. So feel free to give it a go and let me know what you think.